I hope you'll come to my open house. Watch my video, but this is a property you'll want to see in person. Are you looking for a reasonably priced property with gorgeous Gulf views? If so, this property is for you. Located directly on the beach, the Breakers is a complex where every condo has a view of the Gulf. This 2-bedroom, 2-bath property has about 1,550 square feet. It sits on the top floor with a gorgeous Gulf view. This listing is perfect for the discerning buyer who is ready to put their own personal touches on it. The Breakers was built in 1970 on the Moorings Beach, just a few buildings north of Doctors Pass. Built around a community pool with only 32 units, the Breakers is a 55 and older, low-density co-op with a land lease. Owners enjoy carport parking, a community pool, and outdoor grill area. When you want to discuss this property or any other Moorings and Park Shore real estate, contact me.